Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, I welcome you all to SSP guidance course and today we are going to start situation reaction test. For all our friends, those who have not watched our previous videos on TAT and word association test, I would request you to please watch our previous lecture before proceeding to this. Friends, this lecture is totally presented by me. My name is Abhishek Kumar Singh and I got recommended from 14 SSB Allahabad. So friends, you know that situation reaction test is one of the important tests because the qualities that you have mentioned in TAT and word association test must tally with your the qualities that you are going to show in your situation reaction test. So taking in this point of view, it is very important test. And first let us discuss the nature of test, what it compose of. So friends, you know that in this test, certain situations are described and candidate is asked to respond the same. You will be given 60 situations in a booklet and you will be given answer sheet and you have to write the reaction part. So friends, let us see the timing. Basically the timing for this test is 30 minutes. For each situation, that means you are getting 30 seconds. So the candidate must be quick and fast in reading and writing the responses. So this is all about situation reaction test. Now let us see some of the important points that you should keep in mind. First of all, situation reaction test presents a number of real life situation. So day to day life situation will be given. In each situation, some of the problem will be defined and you should consider yourself as a hero and you should solve the problem. Simple as that. So yes, problem will be defined and you being the hero should solve it. That's all. This is required in SRT. The candidate is required to carefully read the situation and write on the answer sheet against relevant serial number. You should always remember that the response should be minimum and the meaning should be deep. Short sentences with deep meaning is required in SRT, which conveys your OLQs. You have to write a practical response that is possible. Always write your action in short. Do not write a whole story. Just what you need to write the action, write in short so that a short and simple sentence conveys a deep meaning. That's it. Always keep in mind that again you do not need to be a word seeker or you do not need to be a part of problem. You need always to be a part of solution. So friends, now few of the things that I think I should tell you is that while reading this situation, please take the note of important points because that will be your key problem and you have to solve that problem only. Always write your response or reaction in past tense. The response is always on active voice. I think you all know that what is active and passive voice, so I do not need to discuss about that. Always interpret the situation and never give your own meaning. Just interpret what it is written in the situation and just write the response. While writing the response, you do not need to take law in your hand. Friends, I will discuss all kind of problem that has been asked in SSB. There are total 30 to 35 problems what I think, and I will discuss all this in my next video. All kind of various problem in which hero will need to prove himself. There will be many kind of situation. I will explain each and every situation. You do not need to worry about that. Friends, the important tips now includes that you have to be very happy and cheerful in whatever you do. As I told that never take law in your hand, so do your duty with discipline. You must be quick and you must leave a positive impact by your behavior, by your intelligence and your performance. This is important for SRT. Friends, in the next 7 videos, that is from lecture 6 to lecture 12, I will discuss all the different kind of SRTs and I will provide the solution for it. I will give you each and every kind of situation that can be asked in SSB. Please take note of lecture 6 to 12. I will be uploading in the coming videos and that will provide you a solution for that. So stay tuned. I thank you all for watching Senior to Junior Academy. If you have any query, please mail us at s2jacademy@gmail.com. Please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the bell icon and follow the video. It would be a great help for you. So I thank you all for watching. Jai Hind. Thank you.